Welcome back. We're going off-roading in the lifted 4Runner today.
We lifted it in 4 hours. We're gonna do all of this as 24 hours, but we couldn't end up making a day's work. But we lifted it and now we're going off-roading. Budget 4Runner off-roading. Not
really a budget, it was a very expensive thing. Don't listen to them.
I spend more money in parts than what I paid for the car.
But anyways, we're going you know, rock climbing and shit today, so that's gonna be exciting. It's kind of hot, my nipples are sweating, but it's cool, you know. We're gonna get there eventually. We got, you know, waters on deck, you know what I'm saying? But meet us there. My face is still messed up.
See a bear just yell. Bear! I don't know. Oh no, there's a bear. We got a Jeep behind us.
Oh, great, yay. Maybe you can pull us out when we get stuck.
Push it.
I can't really see.
Now
I'm really not prepared for this.
Let me talk to you. See, you've been here before.
Oh, that hit my elbow. But where do you go? You can't go that way.
It's that way.
Oh.
Pretty sure it's that way.
Oh, we're following the Jeep. Just follow him, I guess.
shifted out of low.
Hey, go swim in that little puddle.
There's a water feature right back there. You can go swimming.
Oh, yeah, true. There you go. I wouldn't have to. It's a little hot.
I'm tired of rubbing the drop. Yeah, it's like almost 90 degrees. Fair enough, fair enough.
Oh, hey, it's clean off.
Yep. He has better sense. And or before and after.
That's a trap. Put a control arm to the steering knuckle. Let's see.
I'll take a picture of it. Alright, Kate, in the Jeep.
Okay.
Good boy.
Bye, guys.
Lori, my mom. Bye.
Y'all have a fun day.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you, yes, sir. What's your name? Adam. Adam. Ryan, man.
Ryan Bibbin.
Bibbin?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Ryan.
Hey, what I was gonna say.
We're backing out. Them boys broke down, so we have to back out.
Oh god, this is not gonna be fun.
We're reverse off-roading.
Branches. I hope you don't care about the paint on this thing.
If I cared, we wouldn't have come here to Autumn.
Just make sure you don't fall off the mountain, I guess.
That's my main thing. I could try to turn around right here. Should I? No.
I don't know, man. I'll guide you if you want to.
If there's a better spot.
I doubt there will be. And the sun's going down too. Oh, you're going against a really big pile of rocks. You see them?
This line. I don't see them. Will they not make it out?
Oh, yeah, they're right here.
Oh, okay. Did he turn around?